Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 car dent scratch repair tools. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 3500 Spot Dent Puller Machine. Specifications: brand name XMSJ, voltage supply 110 to 220 volts, frequency 60 Hz, rate power 1.8 kVA, output current 3500 amperes, work model 5 modes available, working time 0-99s. Item number 4 is Auto Body Dent Repairs Machine. Specifications: material, metal, plug, USEU, optional, input voltage, AC 110 volts, host size 215 by 170 by 150 millimeters, host weight 1800 G, power cord length 1500 millimeters. As the item number 3, we've selected WOYO PDR007. Specifications: model number PDR007, modified item dent repair, voltage 110-120 volts, size 56 by 25 by 29 centimeters, weight 3.5 kilograms, origin mainland China. Item number 2 is Car Paintless Dent Repair Tool. Specifications: material, metal, input power 220 volts, input frequency 50 to 60 Hz, output power 1.38 kilowatt, output frequency 150 kilohertz, power output cable 160 centimeters, gross weight 4 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vever Dent Repair Machine. Specifications: model GYS 2600, input current fuse 16 amperes, type dent repair welder, max output current 3500 amperes, unit type dent repair tool, input power 2 kilowatt, work model 5 modes available, max output current 3500 amperes, input voltage 220 volts, frequency 60 Hz, input power 2 kilowatt, input current fuse 16 amperes, certification CE, origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.